Naughty by nature, feel me flow. Hey, we here. This long overdue, long awaited. Y'all been telling me. Trust me, naughty by nature, feel me flow. You gotta react to some naughty by nature. Trust me on this one. Hey, we here today. Trip game, man, what the do, man, what's poppin'? If we ain't hot, we been hot as in today. Naughty by nature, feel me flow. Like I said, y'all been telling me about, y'all been naughty by nature, You gotta react to naughty by nature. Trust me, Trip. You gonna like naughty by nature. Hey, we here today. A hip hop trio I don't really hear too much about Naughty by Nature, but I heard the name before. Y'all know how this go. I could have heard some songs by them, and I just didn't know that was them. But hey, we finna see today. Feel me flow, Naughty by Nature. I don't think I never heard this before, but like I said, the only way I could have heard it is when I was younger and it was playing and I didn't know what it was. That's the case most of the time anyway. Like when I was younger, y'all know how this go. I don't even really gotta explain this. Y'all really know. I already know how this go. But Naughty by Nature, y'all been telling me to hop on this right here. Y'all say I'm gonna enjoy this right here. So hey, ain't no sense of me talking. So hey, if you new to the game, if you join the game, don't be lame. We ain't just a reaction channel. We do everything. Smash that like button for you, but hit that sub button if you new. Make sure you hit the link in my description. Go subscribe to my second channel. Hey, enough of my talking. Talk to me.
Just get down here, baby. Everybody down here. We gonna miss the bus. Just get down here, all right?
Don't miss the bus.
No, that wasn't my beeper. And I don't know, somebody else's. Just get down here, all right? All right.
Yo, this the Sizzler with the weather. As if you didn't know, this heat wave got us crazed. Keeps getting hotter on the blotter. But while you frying out there, you got to frying in here. Trying to keep you cool, my brother.
Hot summer.
Playing those frosty, cold, refreshing jams all day, every day. Stay cool on the street, peeps. Beat that heat any way you can.
Sound like I heard this beat before though.
Chronicles of a bionicle, lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission of just hitting. Now it's written and hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust the move in this word. Serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word. Damn, you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the town of Alien Alleys, a full of Phillies and rallies. Suckers get silly and Sally, them founding alleys.
Oh hell yeah. I gotta turn them on. Y'all know I love that lyrical stuff. Hey. That's why y'all said I'm gonna mess with it.
You gotta know
y'all know I love that lyric when it them bars in the lyrical. Oh my lord.
Frosty, cold, refreshing jams all day, every day. Stay cool.
Run that back.
Beat that heat any way you can.
Oh my God, I'm on a mission of just hitting. Now it's written and hitting with mittens. Oh my lord. Y'all know I love lyrics, dog. Come on, y'all know I love when a nigga can get lyrical and he got bars, dog. The beat flowing, he lyrical and he got bars. Hey, ain't too much to talk about. That nigga say I'm on a mission of just hitting. Now it's written and a kid hitting with mittens. Oh my lord.
The chronicles of a bionicle, lyrically spitting.
Then he say you about to feel the chronicles of a bilingual lyrically splitting, dismissing. Man, hey, I'ma let you handle it, big dog. Go ahead. I'ma let you handle it.
The chronicles of a bionicle, lyrically spitting, dismissing. I'm on a mission of just hitting. Now it's written and hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water.
Oh my man, hell, hey, that's why I rock with y'all, dog. That man, oh my lord, dog. Hey, that's why y'all, hey, I'm missing, wishing, man, listen, I glisten like the sun and water. Wow, bitch. Oh my Lord Jesus.
Just hitting, now it's written and hitting with mittens. I'm missing, wishing, man, listen. I glisten like sun and water while fishing. Bust the move in this word. Serve words with nerve embedded. I said it word. Damn, you nerd, man, you heard. Coming from the town of Alien Alleys, are full of Phillies and rallies. nothing. Spitting things is spitting and getting written on. You're like a bad platter, boy, you're pissing me off. Boy, you even started, so what, so long, see you fly by my try. How else could I say it when you play it? Try boom, bye, 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 bye. Here we go now, honey, you can hear me all. Gonna feel me flow. Here we go now, honey, you can hear me all. Gonna feel me flow. The flow pro poetical with skills only a better, no where's the weather flow that's on point like decimals, manhandling new crew.
Oh my God.
Where's the weather?
Oh my God, man, the Flow Pro pedicle with skills only a vetter know. Better know where's the weather flow. Then he go back and say that's a point like a decimal. Oh man, oh man.
Skills only a better, no where's the weather flow that's on point like
decimal.
Partying with the zoo crew, looking for the pink and poo-poo. I thought you knew two stone styles of stamina, jamming, and while we planning the jam, we bust with a party amateur damages, managing, damaging mics, men, and even mannequins. You're a fan again, now I wanna know who's the man again. Naughty's back like vertebrae, word to hey I ho, the way I show you pray I flow. Steady breaking to the boogie, so bang time to slang bang and watch all the boo tag. Here we go now, honey, you can hear me all. Gonna feel me flow. Here we go now, honey, you can hear me all. Gonna feel me flow. Playing K, you break the body of a beat, the break into boogie. Firm and fully chase bass lines like bullies. All you wanna know is if your body wanna party, it's the boo tang for everybody. So hip up and split up, get up, your wit up, souped up, put your dukes up, no guts set up for sit up, flip up, watch us rip up, shake those until they fizz up, rizz up, like you're with us, if not zip up your lip up, whip up, hits with ransom, foul styles get in once, we came back cause we heard hip hop needed another anthem, black like Noah, in fact then for ya, and we was back in the days with the drifters, we'd have been known as the flowers, revenue since the 70s, find me, so we went crazy in the 80s, so we won't kiss heinies in the 90s, oops the naughties, troops in sections of 40, so clap your hands and hold your shorty, I'm naughty.
Well, at least the gang over here know how this go. Y'all might as well drop their hardest songs down below, and y'all know the rest from there. This is gonna be the summer anthem. Man, like I said, y'all already know what to do. Drop their hardest songs down below, and y'all know I'm gonna get on it. But oh my God, that's why y'all said I'm gonna rock with, cause y'all know I love punchlines, metaphors, bars, lyrical. Man, y'all know I love all that. So hey, this right here, right down my alley for real. But like I said, y'all already know this they debut over here. I don't think I never reacted by Not About Nature. I don't think so. But anyway, y'all know how these debuts get. Y'all already know to comment their hardest songs down below. It's up from here. It don't matter what you drop. Mixtape, album, acapella, freestyle. It don't matter. Whatever you drop, y'all know I'm going to get on it. So, hey, if you new to the game, you'll join the game. Don't be lame. We ain't just no reaction channel. We do everything. Smash the like button for your boy. Hit that sub button if you new. Hey, I'm out of here.